Welcome to EJH British Cars. Well, today we're just going to have a bit of fun and bolt some bits and pieces onto the motor now that it's sitting in the frame. So I've already done the ground strap and I'm getting ready to put the starter in and whatever else I feel like doing. It's a bit hot out here, so I don't think I'm going to work a lot, but I want to get something done. So you can see I'm sweating my brains out. So let's get started. So this is one of those modern gear reduction starters, which they just work so much better than the old Lucas ones. I'm not being a real stickler for originality on this car. I've been close, but you know, some modern meds. One of the things a little odd is this bolt is permanently put in here, and I guess it's because it's in the way of this solenoid. So we just have to use one bolt in the bottom and then obviously put a nut on that. And you can see why I want to do this now. Look, no exhaust in the way, no inner fender in the way, no car to lean over. You just sort of reach over, put the bolt through, and it's installed, at least, you know, where it needs to be, and then put a nut and a washer on. And the same thing for the bottom. That through and that. And I just dropped the nut on the ground, but you get the idea. And there's the ground strap. See, this goes onto the back of the timing cover, and it's the one of the motor mount bolts. So that was easy. I'm going to get you a couple of nuts and washers and get the front of the motor bolted down too. So there's the motor all bolted down. Got a new rear mount made up, bolted that down. The exhaust is in. Mostly in. I'm waiting on a hanger. That's no big deal. Found the starter crank for it. Get that ground clamp in. Fuel pump's on. Starter's on the other side. Gasket cement for the fuel pump. Nice stainless steel exhaust, all nice and shiny. So I just got to get the other tire on. I need to put a tube in the tire, and the tube's got a little hole in it, and my cement is all gone bad. It's been sitting so long, so I'll do all that tomorrow. And then I can roll the chassis out of here, and we'll put the body back up on, and we'll get the body, the last little bits of paint underneath where the 4x4s were, and then we can drop the body on the frame. That'll be fun. If you watch my tire machine review, you'll know the last time I bent this, I found a piece of old galvanized pipe that we cut out of the house, and it fits this really well, so just welded it in. Nice and strong now. And it didn't cost me anything now. Because, you know, it's paid lots of money for the house to get the extra piece of pipe, but you know, what the heck. I hope you enjoyed all that. I'm looking forward to putting the body back on the frame. It'll be a really major step in getting things back together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and join, and we'll see you next time.